Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review and set up on my new thermal printer. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Alright, let's go ahead and actually open it up. Stuff you can print onto. User guide, as well as an adapter and a USB. Power cable, the connection for your computer, and the other part to the power cable. All right, and here's the actual printer itself. Check it out. Very cool. So let's actually hook it up, set it up, and see how it works. So once you plug in the provided USB, you're going to want to go ahead and select the operating system that you have. So you can see I have Windows. I just went ahead and double clicked on the driver. You'll go ahead and plug in your printer. It'll go ahead and locate it. Just go through the steps. It'll install it within a couple minutes and you're good to go. All right, so as you can see, that was a super simple setup, whether it's for Windows or Mac. Install it very quickly. So now let's go ahead and actually load the paper into it, print out a label, and see how it actually does. I do like that they already send you some labels to get started. You don't have to buy anything else. So let's go ahead and actually load it into here. So as you can see, this part does open up. You are able to adjust this piece depending on what you're trying to print, maybe some stickers or anything like that. But like I said, for this one, we are going to load for primarily for labels. So that way, if you guys have like eBay or whatnot or anything like that, this will be super easy to just start printing all your orders right there at home. All right, and then right on here, it does show the printer right on here, right there. So we'll go ahead and select it. It's the ORGBRO Z1. Go ahead and hit print. Let's see how it does. And there it is. Simple, simple, simple. It prints onto that sticky paper, so that way you're just able to put it right on there. It comes with everything that you need. Perfect for, if you're doing a startup or just trying to add another printer to your business. Definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. I highly recommend.